Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable lollipops. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a colorful mix of fresh vegetables such as finely chopped carrots, peas, and boiled, mashed potatoes. Don't forget essential binders like breadcrumbs and corn flour, along with your favorite spices for flavor. Make sure you have plenty of lollipop sticks on hand for shaping these delightful treats. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by boiling and mashing your potatoes until they are perfectly smooth. In a separate pan, lightly sauté your finely chopped vegetables until they are tender crisp. Once cooled, combine the mashed potatoes, sautéed vegetables, breadcrumbs, corn flour, and all your chosen spices in a large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly to form a cohesive dough. With your mixture ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping. Take small portions of the vegetable mixture and gently roll them into neat, round balls. Carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each ball, ensuring it's secure. You can then either deep fry these lollipops until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy, or opt for a healthier air-fried version. Your delicious vegetable lollipops are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces, like a tangy mint chutney or a sweet chili sauce. They make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering or a fun, healthy snack for the kids. Remember to check the description below for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen spotless after all that cooking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.